Hello guys, welcome to my After Effects tutorials. I have something for you to watch. I will play it. Now, my problem today is at this keyframe, there's nothing to show. So the solution is you have to first you have to press Ctrl K on your keyboard like this, and you have to change this frame rate to 29.97 like this, and press enter or OK, and thus the problem is solved. Easy and simple. Yeah, like this one, like this one. If this video is useful to you, please press the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks. Bye.